What's going on here? And unfortunately, I missed a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. Looks like it's for Carson, Gray, Huntington, and Roberts counties.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carson County, southern Hutchinson County, northwestern Gray County, southern Roberts County, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Panhandle, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour.
Damn!
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Peppa, Borger, Panhandle, Stinnett, White Deer, Groom, Skellatown, Sanford, Kingsmill, Pringle, and Paytex. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Carson, Gray, Hutchinson, and Roberts. The severe thunderstorm warning for Western Beaver.
Hold up, I'm gonna bring up something. This special weather statement came in right before, and it is 8:04, and it got issued at 8:02. 3 fucking minutes. What the fuck? Let's check the radar. Oh yeah, this is absolutely ridiculous. Severe thunderstorm warnings are getting ridiculous now. I wonder if this is going to become a Jeopardy where, is this going to head towards Oklahoma City or not? Probably not, but who freaking knows? Who freaking knows? My radios would start going off like, I don't know, this thing or my Sanjian. That's my 400. And then here's my Baofeng. Don't mind the mess.